When you or your team are handling multiple tasks simultaneously, facing project management chaos, and unclear task assignments, a project management board can visualize tasks, enhancing collaboration efficiency for both you and your team. You can use a project management board to track project progress, manage project plans, handle meeting agendas. So, how to manage your project in Boardmix? Click on the left toolbar, select the card board, or use the shortcut key G to quickly create a board. Click the plus to swiftly add task cards to the board. When you want to quickly view tasks, you can select horizontal or vertical grouping conditions, changing the arrangement of cards. You can also filter and add filter conditions to quickly view card content. When you already have a clear project theme in mind, you can use official templates in the Template Center to start quickly. Various template styles are available to accurately adapt to different project management scenarios. What's more, there are many practical tools to make your project management more convenient. 1. Create card documents. In the left toolbar, select Cards, or use the shortcut key A to quickly add a blank card document. You can adjust the priority of card tasks, add project progress, deadlines, and relevant responsible parties. Once completed, you can freely drag cards within the board, making project management clear at a glance. 2. Massive case templates. Boardmix provides various ready-made template cases, such as Scrum iteration reviews, project timelines, project plans, etc. All is available for free, helping you manage project progress and task assignments easily. There is no more information silo in Boardmix. Collaborate online with your team efficiently. Click the Share button in the upper right corner to invite your team to collaborate in real time, and always be up to date with the latest progress. Stimulate team creativity with Boardmix.